Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to send Robux to friends on mobile. Now, first up, if you are the receiver, okay, make sure to open up the Roblox app. Now just go ahead and go to More, click on Create, okay? Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, click on the three horizontal lines right here at the top left. Now click on Creations, okay? Click on it. And once done, go ahead and open up one of your creations right here. For example, this one. Just tap on it. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, just go ahead over to the top left and tap on the three horizontal lines once more. Tap on it. Down here, just scroll down, okay, and find monetization. Right here under monetization, we have passes. Just tap on it. Now just scroll down and tap on create a pass. Just tap on create pass. Change the photo if you want to. If not, create a pass name, okay? For example, if you want to be more specific, type down your friend's name. Friend, send Robux, just like so. Add in a description if you want to. If not, just tap on create pass. Okay, wait for it. Now once that's done, it will land you to the same exact page. Just got to tap on the pass that you just created. Tap on it. Now once you selected the pass, just go ahead over to the top left again. Tap on three horizontal lines. Now tap on sales. Okay, tap on it. Now this page will open. Make sure that the item is up for sale. Okay. Now type in the price. Okay. Say for example, your friend tells you that it will give you about 100 Robux. Okay. For example, 100 right here. Just do keep in mind that Roblox right here will get 30% of the total Robux sent. Okay. Once you've set the price, just tap on save changes like so and hit on proceed. It says here pass updated successfully. So just basically open up a browser and log into your Roblox account. Just go to roblox.com. And here, do not continue in app. All right, tap on continue in browser. And just tap on your profile right here. Okay, again, as the receiver. Now tap on creations. All right, as you can see here, it's not listed. Let's just go to make sure that the creation was set to public. Okay, just go ahead over to create right here at the top. Now select the place or experience where you have added the pass. For example, this one. Tap on three dots. Now make it public. Okay, now tap on back. Now under your profile, just wait for it to load. You should be able to see the experience right here or your creations right here. Okay, so basically just tap on it. Now tap on store right here. Okay. Now tap and hold onto it. Now open it up in a new tab. Okay? Because when you tap on it from here, it will just open up the Roblox application. Now go ahead and find the tab, which is right here. Tap on it. Now go ahead over to store. Like so. Now here you have the pass that we just created. Just tap on it. Now just go ahead over to the top and copy the web address. Copy. Now all you have to do is just send this link to the buyer or the ones that will give you the Robux, okay? For example, this is now the sender or the giver, okay? All you have to do is just send the link to the sender and he or she will paste it on a web browser or just tap on the link from the messaging app, okay? And it will just automatically open up this website, okay? All they have to do is just tap on buy. And once done, as the receiver, all you have to do is just wait for about 3 to 7 days, okay? Until the Robux amount reflects on your Roblox account as the receiver. That is it. That's how you send or receive Robux on mobile. Okay, well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.